Right, let's see if I can fix this boxing in from this dodgy £5 bathroom. No timber supporting the boxing in at all. Crappy dot and dab. Everything's just loose. Oh, there's a bit of timber. So the whole lot of boxing in, the whole lot, including the walls. There's not a single hole in the wall where the timber's been. That's the only timber that's been there to support anything. Even that's loose. So my plan is, instead of having the boxing in starting here, so have the boxing in starting in from a full tile. So starting up here. It's because we're quite limited on the amount of spare tiles we've got. So it means I can take these two tiles off, get some timber attached to the walls and get the boxing in done properly. So I can have some timber at the bottom, timbers at the top. It means the boxing will be higher because it'll be a full tile, but that's all we can do really with the amount of spares we've got. That's silicon. And that. It's not even grouted it. That's all held in with silicon. And I just noticed that. Literally tile held on with silicon. More dot and dab. Just look at the gap under these tiles. Don't know if you can see it. Look at that for a gap. No adhesive to be seen at all. Now come on Fisher, I know you do brand deals. DMs are open if you ever want to slide in. Because these, can't beat them. Duo Power Fisher, awesome stuff. Now that is solid.